Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ram 1500. Stock number is A8293. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp feel on the front end. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires as well. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. This is the Laramie trim level, so you do have the very nice leather seats with the Laramie stitching on the front. We're going to take just one more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end where you do have rear backup sensors, as well as a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Spray-in bed liner on the back keeps the bed very safe. You do have a cover on top as well. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ram on holidayautomotive.com. Taking a look inside now, you have your audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted right here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. You have dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats and a heated steering wheel. Four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. Like I said, you can visit us online at holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.